So I'm out here at a job today in Dural for a customer. I'm doing some internal work for him, but NBN's just rocked up. It's fibre to the curb. Now that's the pit there, and it just runs up to the customer's house, and there's just like a leading pipe there. Now I was just here watching the NBN guy do his work. I want to ask a question and find out what the hell. I don't think you're supposed to do this, but so the leading cable comes down to here. The FTTC box is up there where you can see his guards, right? So there is no two pair that runs from here up to there. So what he's done is put it on the old Telstra joint to get it up to where the FTTC box is. And inside that joint there's gel. That defeats the whole purpose of having fibre to the curb. Because if it's coming down, going on to an old Telstra joint with old Telstra cables, running up to the brand new fibre box up the street here, that means if anywhere on that piece of cable or any of these joints along here have foreign battery faults or insulation resistance problems, that could potentially cause problems on that customer's cable. So say if you get, you're supposed to be under 5 volts with ADSL as a fault parameter, but if that's fibre to the curb, I know that could definitely drop that out. Like you can have constant dropout issues. So I'm pretty sure that is dodgy. I asked the guy, I said, mate, are you supposed to do that? Aren't you supposed to run a 2-pair up? He's like, no, we're just going to use the Telstra line. So I reckon that's bullshit. And I would like to find out for 100% if that is the case, because if it is, that just defeats the purpose of having fibre to the curb if they're going to jump on the old Telstra cables. Because like I said, any foreign battery issues or insulation resistance issues, and that gets on that cable that's between here and up there, or anywhere in that length, that's just going to be a problem, because there's a joint here and there's a joint there, and if they're both those joints have got gel in them, which this one did, then that's just ridiculous, Anyway, that's my bitch for today.